My name's Kirsty, I'm the treatment coordinator at Smile Style Signature. Well, we're happy to be a friendly, relaxed kind of practice. So what we find is people really like to come in, have a chat over a cup of coffee. It really gets people to not be as anxious or it's not as intrusive as it would be maybe seeing a dentist for the first time. Some people are really embarrassed. We spend as much time as that patient requires, whether it's on the telephone or at the desk. But if we need to do it, we actually move them into a consultation room, get them away from main reception area, then they can open up about any problems they have. Regarding the telephone, again, we take the phone call away from reception into the consultation room. So if anyone needs any private or personal information, it's not being relayed to a waiting room full of patients. Obviously all the staff here get on great, and when patients come in, everyone will ask them if they want a cup of coffee, show them where the toilets are, make them feel at home when they actually come through the door, get them to take a seat. We've got magazines available for them. If anything they need, the reception staff are on hand to take care of any needs that any patients require. People come into us when sometimes they're not actually sure what they want or what the possibilities are. Dentistry's changed massive amounts over the last couple of years. So things that weren't available quite a few years ago now readily are a routine treatment for this practice. So it's a chance to show them what we can do, what's available. They get hands-on equipment that they can touch, feel, find out how it would affect them if they had to have this procedure. Hopefully on their journey we go through it together. At the end of the day, it depends on how urgent the treatment would be for somebody. Obviously people normally only think about ringing a dentist if they're in pain. But obviously there's things out there that people need to have done. But the information is the key. If you have no information, you can't make a decision on which treatment to have. So the idea is knowledge is the most important regarding making a decision. From the information and the knowledge you get, we can then obviously direct you to one of the dentists that we have within the practice to make sure that the treatment you get and the diagnosis you get is the best for you. You are the most important person in this journey. But we like to get to know people personally. We like to know their first names. We always know who's coming in that day. You know, do they like tea? Do they like coffee? It's personal information, and people quite like that they're recognised. They're not just a number in this practice. They are a person, and hopefully we class them as friends. So if we can help you with anything, or you'd like to give us a call or email, and one of the reception staff will book you an appointment with a treatment coordinator.